Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making sun-dried tomato and basil pinwheels. This is going to be an absolute hit at any party you go to, any potluck. It's going to be great. And what I love is the red and green colors. It's perfect for Christmas. So let's get started. This particular recipe I found on the Minimalist Baker's blog, and I will leave her information below. She's got some great recipes, and I just wanted to share her recipe with you today. I think it's perfect for the holidays, and it's really very simple. And you can make these gluten-free as well. Right now I'm just going to use a regular tortilla, but if you want to go gluten-free, there's brown rice tortillas. I also found these coconut flour tortillas, which are also gluten-free. So if you have someone that's sensitive to gluten, you can definitely do that. So we're just going to throw all this in the bowl, and I will tell you what we're doing as we go along. I've got an 8-ounce container of vegan cream cheese. This is Kite Hill. So we're going to put that in the bowl. We've got a couple cloves of garlic. We've got about a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, the ones that are not in oil, they're just sun-dried. I've got some vegan Parmesan cheese here. Yum. And then I've got a quarter cup of frozen spinach, which I thawed, I drained, and I squeezed out the moisture. So that goes in. And then we're gonna just do a little salt and a little pepper to taste. And we're going to mix this all together. Get this closer to me. And this just looks so pretty, and it's so tasty and so easy, which is my favorite thing of all. So this will be enough for 2 tortillas. So we're going to just use half this mixture right now. So I have my flour tortilla. We're going to put about half this on here. I think that's good. And then spread it around. You want to do it all the way to the edges. This looks so pretty. The red and the green. Okay. Then I've got some basil leaves here. Beautiful. And we're going to place those on the tortilla, lightly tap them down. And we're not going to put them all the way to the edge. You want one edge bare, so when you roll it up, it sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So probably about 10. These are pretty big basil leaves. So about 10, maybe 12 if they're smaller. Yeah, okay. So now we're just gonna roll it up. Carefully. Give it a good squeeze, and you want to put the seam side down when you slice. You want to use a serrated knife. We'll cut this end off here. And then you're just going to have these absolutely perfect little pinwheels. Now, how easy was this? All right, gonna finish cutting, plate this up, and then we're gonna give it a taste. And there you have it. Beautiful little sun-dried tomato with basil pinwheels. Couldn't be easier. So let's give these a taste. The combo of the cream cheese, the sun-dried tomatoes, and the basil, absolutely perfect. That Parmesan cheese, this is absolutely amazing. So check out this recipe, give it a try. Remember, it's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.